Well, good day everyone. Good day everyone. It's Grizz. I'm out on the KTM, the 950 S&M, and I'm popping over to the Kinchin bypass. I want to see if I can retrieve my GoPro that I lost when I did the last test ride for Kawasaki. Bristol Kawasaki. So yeah, heading over to there. Hopefully it's going to stay dry and we can have a little bit of dry S&M fun. I've got the external mic on today and I'm experimenting with it a bit. I've got it kind of more so exposed. I've had it like in my backpack. Now I've got it kind of in one of the outer pockets of the backpack, which are like a bit of a mesh. I've also got a new muff for it. Thanks, mate. She definitely wants to wheelie. Yeah, so yeah, so we're gonna see if she sounds better. Grizz is gonna shut up and let you enjoy the sounds of the 950 excuse me, the KTM 950 Supermoto. So I hope you enjoyed that little blast. Yeah, I really need a rear cam taking in all the flames from the exhaust, because that exhaust is flaming up big time. So let's go and see if I can find my other GoPro. I have a good feeling. that I can find it. I watched back my footage from yesterday's recordings on the test ride of the bikes I've done, and I was watching back when the actual cam fell off. I can see it in my rear view mirror detaching itself from the rear luggage box on the back of the Versys 1000. So yeah, I've got a good feeling where it's actually come off now. It wasn't where I was looking yesterday. I was looking further down the dual carriageway, so I'm gonna it's not really a good place to park up. There's nowhere to park up, so I'm gonna chuck it up on the grass and have a little look. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a little look and see if I can find it. I've just noticed this GoPro on the front here is steaming up a tiny bit. This is that time of year now where it's starting to get cold and the cameras start fogging up a bit, which is a pain. I've got some silica pouches which are great for absorbing moisture. You know those little pouches you get when you buy something electronic new, and it's always got that little pouch of granules in it. It's called silica, and I'm pretty sure it's called silica. And I've got some, but I don't think I've got any on me, so that's not really very good, is it? Grizz isn't very well thinking this out very well. Never mind. I think it's because I gave the KTM a real good warming up this time before taking it out. And I think the camera got a bit warm and now it's getting a bit cold in this cold air. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get over to the Keynsham bypass in Bristol and see if I can find my GoPro. I really do need to find it. It's going to cost me hundreds of pounds basically to replace it, and I've only just bought one. That's the one I bought. That one actually I paid a couple of £100 for second hand. I guess I can do that again. I'd rather not lose a couple of £100, so let's go see if we can find it. Anyway, enough talking. Plus it'd be great to get that footage back, because I got some really nice footage on it of the test ride of the Kawasaki Z900RS. I would love to have that back. I'd love to have it both back, so fingers crossed. Anyway, enough talking. Let's just get over there now. Enough. Let's just go, Grizz. Actually, while I've got you here, just a quick kind of sorry as such for not having as much content up on the channel as late. I've been having a little bit of a quiet struggle. I don't want to make a deal about it. It's nothing really terrible, but this diet that I'm having to stay on, so I prove positive for celiac condition. It's messing me up, and it's leaving me completely exhausted, and I've just kind of started, I think, to get over the tail end of that flu. It just takes me so long to get over these things. So yeah, I've been absolutely wiped out. I had a real bad week last week, energy wise. Very, very bad. It was bloody appalling. One of my worst weeks I've had in a long time. And yeah, I think one night Taffy and I sat down and we consumed a bottle of wine between us, which we made into mulled wine, because it's that time of year, isn't it? You know, any excuse for mulled wine. And actually I felt a great deal better the next day. So yeah, that's been great. No, I've not been drinking mulled wine every night, but I had one drink of that, and that kind of sorted me out. Made me feel a bit better, strangely, because I had a real couple of poor days. So yeah, I've been struggling with it, guys, and it took me a time to get that first ride vlog up, because I was just doing it in bits and pieces. I couldn't really focus on it properly, and I don't want to make a hash of a video just because I'm rushing to get it up. So yeah, I'm taking my time and just bringing you, hopefully, hold on. Yeah, I'm just trying to bring you good quality vids, basically, and I hope I am. I hope you're enjoying. Grizz is trying. He's trying hard as he's ever tried with the channel, and I've always tried hard in saying that. It takes up a lot of my time. I literally have two full-time jobs. One I get paid for, and one I don't. YouTube I don't, and it's another full-time job. Taffy is cooking and cleaning, and Chris is just sat on his ass editing and going out doing vlogs. Yeah, it's kind of dreamy, I guess, but it's not as well, because I feel guilty for Taffy doing so much, and guilty for kind of just engrossing myself into the channel and vids and stuff. But yeah, Taffy is down with it. Taffy said please do it, please go out, please film vlogs, please edit. She doesn't mind doing what she's doing, and yeah, she's right behind me. So thanks a million, Taffy. You're a massive support and a massive help to me, even through these times when I'm struggling a bit more. But yeah, I'm just relieved I'm having enough energy for going and doing the vlogs and going doing the test rides and getting out and doing a ride, because it's been a little bit exhausting as late. But I've actually got another week. It's literally this time next week on the Monday I go in and have the camera down again and take another load of samples, biopsies, and hopefully this time they'll remember to test me for celiac. And yeah, that'll be the end of that. Then I can stop eating gluten and start being a bit more healthier, you know. It's going to make a very big difference to me, I know it will. Energy is going to get better. I should probably get sick less, I think. And yeah, have more energy for everything. So exciting times ahead. Not looking forward to having the camera down again, but you got to do what you got to do, haven't you? Anyway, that is enough now. Now I am shutting up, and next time I'm going to speak to you is when we're going to look for that camera. Right, this is the area it came off. I'm sure of it. So let's have a look and see if we can find it. So it's kind of out here-ish. So I've walked up and down here a bit, and it's not looking very promising. Grizz doesn't seem to be finding the GoPro. I think GoPro might be gone forever. It was worth coming out for one last look, so I can sleep easy on it. I was thinking about it all night last night. I want to go in that central reservation area, but it's a bit dangerous. Don't really want to be doing that. As I was watching the footage of the camera coming off, it seemed like it was coming over to this side of the road. So that's where I'm edging me bets. I think this is too far down now for it to be here. Yeah, too far down, I say. Oh well. I better not go in that central reservation area. Too dangerous. To be fair, it could be in anywhere, in any of this deep undergrowth or overgrowth as it be. Could have gone down the embankment. Could be flipping anywhere. Not feeling very hopeful. So I think that's it. I'm not going to risk my life going up over here. If I fall over and fall in the road and get run over at 70 miles an hour, it's not going to end well, is it? So yeah, so that's it. Grizz has called it. If you do come out here and you do walk along the central reservation and you find a GoPro, let me know, will you? Oh dear, oh dear. Right, we're absolutely clear now after this black car. Please be careful, guys, if you ever have to do this. Give yourself loads of time. Don't rush it and fall over, drop it like Grizz nearly did right in front of fast moving traffic. We're out and we're on the road. So there we go, that was a bit of a bummer. Really cannot find the GoPro. Too dangerous to start walking down that central reservation. Not worth putting my life at risk, really, is it? So, although I was tempted, but no, I'm not going to do it. Yeah, so I'm going to go on home and get editing. Loads of editing to do. I'm sorry if there is a delay in all these vlogs, guys. Just a fair old amount going on, I guess, at the moment. I hope to bring you some normal service soon. Hope you're all well. Hope you've all enjoyed today's vlog. Please donate your GoPros to me. Nah, it's all good. It'll be alright. Anyway, have a good one. Cheers for now. Bye. Love you.